Welcome to this channel. Create a simple motion graphic. Open After Effects as usual. Create new projects and sequences. Type your text. Using the Align window, place the text in the center of the box. Check Enable per character 3D. Add scale and set to 50. Add rotation and set the x-axis to -90 and the y-axis to 45. Add opacity. And we animate the value and consider the number 0. Animate the offset in the range selector from -100 to 100. Go to the Advanced section and set the shape to ramp up. Set ease high and ease low to 100. Very good. While animation number 1 is not selected, add another scale. Note that it is animation number 2 and increase its value to 120. Again, animate the offset in the range selector from -100 to 100. Go to the Advanced section and set the shape to ramp up. Set ease high and ease low to 100. Very good. But I think I'm better at random. Then turn on Randomize Order. Very nice. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.